Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Now, before I get started and tell you what this is about, it is a little windy out here, so I might have to overdub this if the audio doesn't come out right. So today, we're going to unbox and see if this thing works. The SunJoe auto cleaning system. Now it has multiple brushes, and we'll get into that right now. Now, on the box itself, you will see that we have SunJoe auto cleaning system for the pressure washer, and hopefully it'll work on the ryobi 40 volt 2000 psi Whisper series brushless high power sprayer. So yeah. All right, so what comes with it? It comes with all kinds of paperwork. It says activate your warranty, or it has a warranty. That's good. And it has a chance to win a $20 gift card, and it has the instructions. Here is a really nice, I guess that's microfiber type of wiping device. We have a mystery box. And what's in the mystery box? Not much of a mystery. We have, looks like, different adapters for different types of systems. So hopefully one of those will work in there. It also has a little angle so you can get around corners and all that good stuff. I like that. That's a good idea. Ooh. And it looks like some sort of a different type of adapter. Huh. Gotta read this direction, dang it. And we have just a regular brush. I can go around the wheels, tires, things like that. Oh, this one's a little more scrubby. So I guess that goes in between on the wheels and stuff like that. Huh. The hard to reach places, maybe the tire itself. Ooh, we have an extension. SunJoe extension. And, ooh, this is pretty. Now this is supposed to rotate inside there. And you can do your wall or your car or whatever. And they're nice and soft. So yeah, I would use that on the car. Okay. So now, let's see if this thing will fit on the ryobi. Excuse me, the ryobi. So of course, as you know, on the ryobi power sprayer, you kind of have to push in, twist, and that pops out. And let's see. Huh. Do I have to use an adapter? Ooh. Adapter E as in Edward. Looks like that is going to be the best. Yep, that's it. So E as in Edward. So now since we have that down, that just pops in, twists. This goes in like so. Ooh, I was getting a little worried. And then power up. Although, I think I put that in. There we go. So it looks like you have to kind of hold it sideways, which is fine because you're actually brushing on the car, brushing in the middle, because yeah, actually that's fine. And this thing, what do we do? Darn it, gotta read the instructions again. Well, anyway, the sprayer head, it does have different detents. So I guess you can put it down this way if you want to do like the top of the car. That should be more like that. Top of the car, bottom of the car, which I guess you don't want to do the bottom of the car with that. But there could be different angles that you can use this thing on. I like that. Oh! Because it goes directly on the hose. Perhaps. There we go. So this goes on the hose, like so. Haha. See if it goes on the extension here. It does. And then this goes on here. And you can do very high power sprays. Like, yeah, this you can probably go like up underneath the wheel wells and everything else. Yes, I like that. Okay, now that I figured that out. Let's go put this puppy through its paces. Okay, pro tip. When you go to do one corner, as you see, it's nice and easy and comfortable. But if you go to do another corner, the opposite corner, it's upside down and uncomfortable. Well, all you have to do is you have to flip the brush over. Now don't disconnect by the adapter. Disconnect at the brush. And then you just have to turn it. And there you go. Now you're nice and comfy again. I would say that's about it for the unboxing of the SunJoe auto cleaning system for the pressure washer. And it does work with the ryobi. So I hope that helped. And as always, have a great day.